Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Today I am back with a craft with me video. I'm gonna show you how I made these Tulle bows. There are already videos out there on how to make these, but some people asked me, so I thought I would just make a quick tutorial. So what you will need is some tulle. I got these from Alina Craft store on AliExpress. She sells them in packs of 2. And they cost $2.50 for 2 rolls, and each roll is 25 yards or meters. So I picked the purple and mint combo and the pink and peach combo. You will also need any kind of flat back gems for the center, a clothespin, and a piece of paper. This one measures 2 inches because my bows are 2 inches. That's the size I like. The width is not important. So what you want to do is grab your piece of paper, your tulle, and you just want to wrap it around your paper. Make sure you don't wrap too tight so that you're able to remove easily your paper. And then before you start, you just need to cut a small piece of tulle like that. This what we will use to tie our bow. Okay, so you want to wrap it around your piece of paper. So like I said, not too tight. And I do this 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you cut just before the edge. You remove your paper, and then you fold in the middle, just like so, and then you do that the same. It's like an accordion fold on both sides. Okay. There you go. Then you will just use a clothespin to hold it in place while you're tying your knot. So it's good to use the tulle because it's elastic, and it will be the same color as your bow, so it will not show. So then you want to make sure that it's centered. So what I do is just I fold these sides to make sure they are aligned, and when I did that, then I can tie my knot. And I add a couple more to make sure that it will not, that the knots will not open. So I do that 3 times. 3 times is more than enough. And you're done. Then you can decorate them. You just cut off the excess here. And you can decorate them as you want, either with a gem or whatever you have in your stash. So what I did is I did put some gems on the first one, and then I made a bunch and just left them blank, because then you can also add them to a paper clip, or you can also like add a little charm. Well, the colors are not really matching. Maybe on the pink one it will look better. So what you will do, so this is just a quick charm I made for my paper clips. I will link the video down below. I have a tutorial on these. Not the charm, I mean the charms are part of the tutorial, but the tutorial is on the paper clips. So what you will do is you can just add it here, and you have like with a center like that, and you have a cute tulle bow with a dangle, and you can either add a paper clip behind, or you can just put this on your on the elastic of your traveler's notebook or whatever. So that's why I leave them blank, and I make a bunch for my stash. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.